Don't know if you'll be able to see it. Battery's low on my phone and I can't turn the flash on. But I scribed some lines. You can barely see them in the rust where the door hinge was before. So, hoping that the door hinges off of the 75 are really close, symmetrical about the way the holes are drilled and everything else. So after I get this cleaned up, all the rust off of it, and some epoxy on it, then put the door hinge on it. Hopefully everything should fit it back up really close to the way it was before. But I don't have problems aligning doors. I worked at a limousine plant for about 3.5 years. I hung a lot of doors that was completely modified. It was nowhere near being factory. Some of them was lengthened 3 feet longer than what they were from the factory. You talk about a challenge to line something up, especially when the car's been cut in half, welded back together. They're not always exactly straight. But enough about that. Just showing what I did to help me try to get the door hinges back where they need to be. Got the bolts cleaned up for the hinges off the 75. Getting ready to clean up the hinges, and I'm going to put the bushings and the pins in there. And try to get that cleaned up a little bit tonight. Get some epoxy there. Get the door hinges on it. Maybe hang a door, see how it fits. We'll see how it goes. I've already been working about 3.5 hours so, stripping doors apart, picking this one off. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, like and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.